you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
How can I call you?
Just call me Paolo. Yeah.
Paolo?
Yeah.
It's kind of...
Which one you're comfortable?
I'm not sure. I don't want to be... Okay, Mr. Shaw, can you introduce yourself a little bit for us?
Yeah, thanks for having me here. Yeah, my name is Show Paolo. Can call me Paolo. I'm working in Khalifa University, UAE. At the same time, I have an affiliation with Malaysia, with University in Malaysia.
So you're from Malaysia?
Yeah, I'm originally from Malaysia.
Can you talk about your work a little bit for me too?
Yeah, basically I have worked in the two places. Yeah, one is UAE, one is Malaysia. So I'm a full professor from Khalifa University. I also as a professor of biochemical engineering from University of Malaysia. So I have two affiliations, two lab, and also have two group. Yeah, work together with me in two university.
Wait a minute. So you living in two places?
Yes.
Malaysia and
Abu Dhabi. Yes.
In Dubai?
In Dubai. Yeah.
How you can live in both
Yeah, basically.
places?
Yes, because I have two works. Yeah, I affiliate with two university. So sometimes I teaching in the Abu Dhabi. Sometimes I'm teaching in the Malaysia.
So it's not like online thing.
It's not online, physical. Yeah.
Physical.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Let me before start our conversation. Let me say something. What was really noticeable for me. You work in microalgae.
Yeah.
Expert, and you're leading it. So you're really interested in microalgae technology in Malaysia, and as you said, in international way too. You are a young achiever with lots of award. For example, Epic Aspire Malaysia Award 2020, Malaysia Young Scientist 2019, and also lots of awards include too. And you are a higher productive researcher. You have 350 papers in less than 8 years. Oh my god! It is incredible, you know, it's insane.
Yeah.
Can you talk about this?
Yeah, basically, not to say I'm not working alone. Yeah, basically I have a very good teamwork. So I work together with people, I communicate with people. So meaning that in the publications, we work together so that we can have a good outcome, good output. This is very important because in my philosophy, right, we always work together. Yeah, we do not have hero in the research. So we work together with the people. Let's say in the experiment, yeah, we work together with people. We produce a good result. We publish a paper together. That's why, yeah.
So you're working with team.
With
How
team.
many? How many people?
International and locally, yeah. So let's say my team consists of 20 plus, yeah, team members. So we work.
20 people?
Yeah, 20 people. Yeah, in the team members. So we work together. Yeah. At the same time, I try to link up with them internationally with different countries. So we work together internationally to produce a good quality of paper.
So tell me about your experiences about international way too. You have lots of people and the nationality are differences. How was it and how is it? Isn't it hard to like?
Actually, in my opinion, it's not really hard because I'm a humble people. So time to time, I'm willing to learn, willing to listen, so willing to work together with people. So because I always have the concept is not working alone, working together. Yeah, we have the win-win situations. So I always willing to listen and learn from other people. Time to time, I will send my student to other country, other lab to learn it, their technique, and bring it back to the country and apply it. At the same time, I always welcome my collaborator for other country to my lab to learn it. That we have sharing knowledge. Yeah, this is how.
So like your international students and co-workers come to the Malaysia, learn something new, and also your Malaysian people come to
different country.
Different country.
Yeah, to learn.
Expect Abu Dhabi,
Yeah,
Dubai.
Many countries. Many countries. Yes.
Like what?
Like I think we have sent to I think we sent to India, we have sent to China, Taiwan, many countries. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. US, yeah, Europe.
Okay,
Yes.
let's just start our interview for can you explain like a little bit macroalgae technology because you know the word is really big, but we don't know nothing about it. Can you explain?
Yeah, basically in a simple way, micro is really small. Algae actually is type of type of plant cell, plant vegetable. So in microalgae, actually they require three things to grow. Yeah, one because it undergo photosynthesis, so require sunlight. Yeah, require water and require one is the carbon dioxide. So microalgae very important to growing all these because microalgae have a lot of nutrient inside, a lot of vitamin, a lot of mineral, a lot of protein inside, which very important for food, for biofuel, for supplement, or for pharmaceutical applications.
Okay, so it brings another question for me, like in which field can your work is more effective? As you said, like maybe in food or in health or energy or environment. Can you explain me more about it?
Yeah, basically microalgae have multiple roles. Yeah, there can be a food, can be a food supplement, can be a biofuel energy because microalgae is a third generation biofuel. Also can be a wastewater treatment because microalgae able to absorb the heavy metal and reduce the environmental issue. So microalgae have a lot of applications.
Okay, let's talk about your research a little bit. And what is your research in a simple way, if you wanted to say for us?
My research actually work a lot with microalgae. So my research is convert microalgae become a future food for the human being.
How it affect to people's lives? How is it? How people can feel in real life? Is it effective to people?
I think it's quite effective because I believe in the future, right, we have less food to eat because of the climate change, because not enough populations. So we believe that microalgae play a very important role as a future food because microalgae contain all the nutrients that required for human being. So when people eat microalgae, they can eat a food replacement in the future. So that's why we create a lot of microalgae as a future food for human being.
What's the difference between microalgae and nanotechnology?
Nano is very small, macro is not so small. So
not too small.
So microalgae we still can absorb it by human being, but nano is too small until we cannot see it yet.
They can be just like compound nano and macro algae together and create a new thing. You know, Iran is really great in nano stuff, as you know.
Yes,
but
I know.
It's really curious for me, like, can we do that all together or not?
Yeah, it's possible because it's possible to combine nano and macro together because nowadays we have a lot of nanotechnology, so we can use nanotechnology to combine with microalgae so that we can produce a great product for human consumption, for energy, for environmental, and also for wastewater treatment. A lot of applications can do that.
So you are saying like it's be really effective in the future. Yeah. In which part it effective really most?
In which part I can say the human the food that we eat.
The food.
Because
the food. Like seafood or everything.
Everything I can say everything because with the nano size, right, human able to digest it easily. Because in the past we need to train our food become a small, but with nano, right, we can direct absorb in the human body. This is more effective.
It can be a medicine or just like it's a normal thing.
I think can be a food supplement first, because microalgae so far is complete nutrient, so can be a food supplement. But slowly maybe we can advance it into a medicine, become a drug.
So you say like your research can be used in real life and can be realistic, right? Am I right? How?
Basically we can do a lot of things, because nowadays a lot of people use microalgae to generate food, microalgae to generate electricity, bioenergy, also can produce hydrogen. So this can be a real life happen.
I have another question. Like, you said like your research is about like local in Malaysia and like international way too. Can you tell me a little bit differences between your country and international way too? And is it your research just affect in your like local place or not? It can be really international side.
My research basically can be applied in local as well as international because I have created a lot of patterns, a lot of publications. All these applications can be applied in different countries. Let me give you one example. Basically, I create a two-phase system. So two-phase system not only apply in Malaysia, but I and my friend also apply in India as well. So we work together, we benefit to society.
So you are telling me in the future you will have some application for your method? Like that. Can you explain your application a bit?
My main application is to extract, to take out the nutrient from microalgae. So this is a main application because we know microalgae is plant cell. plant cell have the thick cell wall, so we need to break the cell wall in order to take out the something from the microalgae. So my technology is to break out and take out the something. Yeah.
So automatically just
Yeah,
do
automatic.
this.
Yeah, it's a systematic, automatic with the smart system.
Okay, in the future, your research can be real in the realistic world.
Yeah.
And can you tell me about your vision? Do you have any vision about your research?
Yeah, my vision actually, I hope that this technology not only apply in the small area, I hope that it can apply in international, not only in food area, maybe apply in energy area, in environment area. So a lot of application can be applied. So can be useful, can benefit to more people. This is my vision.
So you are saying like it will be really effective to people's life in the future.
Yeah.
Because of the environment problems
Yes,
and
yeah. Climate
like energy
change,
and
yeah.
climate change.
Yes.
And,
Yeah.
Okay. I have another question. Like in this way, during this way, you will have lots of challenges and problems too. Do you have some right now?
Yes.
And how you solved it?
Yeah, basically, let me give you some example. I have a lot of problem, especially during the pandemic time, because
COVID-19.
COVID-19, yes, because COVID-19, right? We grow microalgae just like growing baby, so we need to feed them the food every day. Due to the COVID-19, right, we're not able to go to the lab. We're not able to feed the microalgae. A lot of my microalgae, they died, in the lab. So this week make it very sad. So I think this is an important lesson that we learned during that time. So what we're doing, actually, we create a consortium. So we work together with industry, work together with industry, work together with people. So we have different backup plan in different,
Lots of backup plans.
Yes.
More than 3, maybe?
More than 3, definitely, yes.
Okay, so how you solve it?
Yeah, basically we create a seed bank, microalgae seed bank in different area. So we store the microalgae in this area A, area B, area C. At least we can sustain in the future if anything happen.
Or maybe you will change the location. It affect maybe a little bit different.
Yes.
Can be too.
Yes, can. Yeah, this is right.
Okay. I wanted to ask you like a little bit personal question. Like Mr. Shah, you have real life too, not just researcher life or professional academic life. How it goes?
Yeah, basically I try my best to have work-life balance. Because when doing work, I work seriously, I work very hard. But during the off time, I will spend time with the family. So I try my best to balance it so that I can balance working and family together.
Because you said you travel a lot with 2 countries. How do you just manage that? I'm really curious about that. When you say like we have scientists who won lots of awards, it's kind of incredible. Maybe he is really different from us and hero like these things. You know that.
Yeah.
In a real life, we can't imagine how your life can be. Can you give me a real example for that?
Basically, I can say we have no much different. We are still human beings. We are still have 24 hours per day. So the only things that I can say, I have a good attitude. I never give up. I always think positively. Whenever I face a problem, because especially doing lab, so doing lab is not 1 or 2 you will get the result. You need to keep on trying until you achieve it, until you get the good result. So I never give up. Whenever I face a problem, I think it positively. I do again, so until I achieve it.
So never give up and keep going.
Yes.
Okay, get you.
Thank you.
Okay, can you tell me your memorable memory during this journey you had?
I think the most memorable memory is my student graduations. My student graduations. Because as a teacher, we always care about students so much. Because our main product actually is not about publication. My main product is the student graduations. So every time my student graduate, I feel very happy because this is the outcome that I produce. I produce a good student, and student very happy, and student have a good job in the future. So this is my good memory so far.
When someone just graduates, you feel like lots of happiness.
Yes, I feel happy for them.
The thing that was really noticeable for me, like you are like editor, like associate editor for many international journalists, and has reward for over 100 journalists worldwide. Can you talk about that? How do you do that?
All right. Basically, I can say I had tried this during my undergrad. Yeah, during undergrad I read a lot of paper. During when after I finished undergrad, I proceed to my postgraduate PhD. I had a habit to read paper every day.
Every day.
Every
You
day.
read every day?
I read every day. I read every.
How many?
I read
many
maybe
paper?
at least 3 paper per day. So I will
Per day,
I will read and then I will understand. So when I have a habit, so I will happy to do that. Yeah, that's why I have a lot of these editorial works. Yes.
Okay, how was it?
How was it? I think I feel enjoy. Yeah, because I learned something from them. Because always not. My attitude is learning from others.
Yeah,
I'm
you
willing
said
to.
that.
Yeah, I'm willing to learn from others because whenever I read, I learn something new from them. Yeah, so this is thing that make me feel
Your
happy.
key point.
Yeah,
Okay,
motivate
I
me to
get
do
it.
it. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about your because you are engineer from Mustafa Award,
Mm-mm.
and I don't know it's your first time being in Iran or
Yes,
not.
yes.
Can you talk about your feeling
Yep.
being here and like get this award too? Can
Yeah.
you say me about
I
your-
feel very excited, yeah, because
Yeah.
the hospitality, the people very friendly. The time I step down from the airplane, I see someone notice, yeah, that's holding my name, welcome me, very warm welcome, and they
really?
arrange it very nicely. So I feel this is very good, yeah. I feel this is the country is nice, yeah, and people very friendly. So far, I think everything very perfect.
So you are not worried about being here and everything was
Yeah.
great until now.
Yes, very perfect. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
Such a relief
Thank you,
for me.
thank you so much.
Okay, that was great interview. For us, do you have any special sentences to say for us or like the camera
I know.
wanted to say?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
خبرگزاری برنا